The latest addition to the BoreTech Climax family of bore welders, the BW2600, precise, reliable, and versatile. Key features include variable mechanical step, reverse rotation, step lockout, skip fill, and free spindle move. Converting from boring to welding is quick and easy, keeping the same setup and reducing the time required. Install the BW2600, then install the torch system. Shift to free mode for quick axial movement. Fine adjust your position with the feed knob. Optional control pendant allows precise control over main operations in close sight to the welding area. The Climax interface system allows the operator to easily make fine adjustments to compensate for deflection of the torch string. Make all parameter adjustments prior to welding. Then depress weld to start the process. 175 amp capacity combined with variable mechanical step allow light or heavy deposition. Expect smooth, reliable operation in all positions and rotation direction. Weld bores, faces, outside diameters, and conical seats from 0.88 to 24 inches in diameter. The skip fill feature provides two functions: skipping for avoiding keyways and split lines, and fill for correcting out of round bores. The BW2600 provides reversible rotation. This feature simplifies multiple pass welding in the horizontal axis by alternating uphill welds over downhill welds. A variety of torches are available to fit your specific welding applications. Depress the step lockout and face weld under the BB5 bearing mount with a compact face torch. For more demanding applications with alloy wires, use the standard face torch with the adjustable base and radial mounts. Use the trammel torch with the adjustable base and radial mounts to accomplish outside diameter welding. When mounted to the boring bar interface kit, use the bearing clearance torch to weld bores over 12 inches in diameter. The torch extension support adds rigidity to your extended setup. The counterbalance eliminates rotation speed changes related to backlash and torch weight when you are welding in the horizontal axis. The BW2600 Auto Bore Welder. Portable, durable, reliable, and capable. Find out what the BoreTech Climax combination can do for your business today.